Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on BitLocker in your computer in a very simple way. How you're going to do it? First we'll go to for the file explorer and then we'll go for this PC. I just want to enable BitLocker for my D drive. So D drive, so click on the right mouse button and here you will find the turn on BitLocker option. So click on the turn on BitLocker option and you just need to check use a password to unlock the drive. So you just now need to give the password and now click next. After that, save it to a file. So I'm going to save the BitLocker file into my documents. Click save and now click next and now click next another time and now start encrypting. So it will take some of seconds to complete, and as you can see the encryption of D drive is complete. Now if you close it and now if you restart your PC, then it will enable your BitLocker in your D drive. So this is how you can simply enable BitLocker in your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.